The Science of Emotions, in honour of Jaak Panksepp. I was extremely fortunate to have studied under Jaak Panksepp before he sadly passed at just 74. Way too young to leave to make the journey to heaven, as he had so much to give. Every person who unfortunately develops cancer, from every race, religion, or creed, must be provided with the best help we can humanly possibly provide, and the fields of allopathic medicine and lifestyle medicine must work together better on preventing and reversing cancer, so people are not lost to this horrendous disease. I love everything about Jaak and his work. He was an Estonian-American Jewish neuroscientist, known for his research on the emotional systems of the brain. He is known worldwide as the father of affective neuroscience and widely recognized, particularly for his pioneering work in affective neuroscience, a field of study that examines the neurobiological basis of emotions. I recommend, with all my heart, watching the video of Jaak Panksepp speaking on the link below. The Science of Emotions. Also studying his work so it resides deeply in your awareness as a core principle or fundamental truth as a human being, to help yourself and to use to help others as a professional credentialed coach.